welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you're new here, my name is McLean, and today again we're going to be doing a video on how to make a halter top with the Alpine stitch. So get ready because this video is going to be so interesting. So to begin, I'll be using this Winter King yarn and a 3mm hook, and this video will be using the US terms. So if you use the UK terms, maybe you could look for a conversion because I don't know them. So I'm going to pull my yarn from the middle so that it's easier while crocheting. So to begin with, I'm going to make a 10-inch chain, and since you're working with the Alpine stitch, you should make sure that your chain numbers are of an odd number so that you can be able to achieve that stitch nicely. So I'm just going to chain until I achieve the 10 inches and the odd number. So let me just chain. That's 2, 3. So I have made 45 stitches, and that is equivalent to 10 inches. That's how it is. It's equivalent to 10 inches. So I'm just going to be working single crochet on each stitch. So I'll see you back when I'm done doing the single crochet. So you just single crochet like that until the end. So I am done doing the single crochet for the 10-inch work. So I'm just going to be doing now the double crochet. So you chain 2 and then you do double crochet on each of the stitches until the end. So like that, double crochet, so I have reached the end of the row, and just going to chain till the last one like that. That's how it looks like. And then you're going to chain 1 and then turn your work. So watch closely. So for this, we're going to do another row again of single crochet. So you just do the single crochet like that. Again, single crochet, single crochet. Let me meet you guys at the end. So that's it. That's the end of that row of single crochet, and this is how it looks like. The project looks like this so far. So we're going to chain 2 and then turn your work. So we're going to be working this project by increasing so that you can achieve the waist length. So for this first double crochet for this row, you're going to put 2 stitches of double crochet, 1 and then 2 at this end. Then after 2 stitches, you're going to be working in the back post of this. This is the first post, so this is the second post. So you're going to work double crochet under, insert your hook under that post, and then work your double crochet like that, and then skip the single crochet hole, and then go to the next one and work another double crochet there, and then go to the next post, skip this post, go to this next post and work under that post like that. Then the next one, do the same thing, skip this hole and then go to the next one and work your double crochet there. Then you just continue doing like that until the end of the row. So we have reached close to the end of the row. So I just did double crochet on the top of the single crochet, and now we're going to be going through the back post like that. And then since you're working on increasing this last single crochet, you're going to do two double crochet over here, so that's one, and then this is the second one, so like that, and this is the second one, and then you're going to chain one and then turn your work. Then for this side you're going to be doing a single crochet all the way through the end. You're not increasing anything, so you just do a single crochet till the end, so that's one, until you're right the very end. Just be doing single crochet on each hole like that. I hope it's so clear. So you just continue doing a single crochet in every hole until you reach the end. So let me meet you guys at the end. So this is the end of the row, and I'm just going to chain one single crochet, then turn my work. Then after turning, so for the next row, since you are increasing, you're going to be doing two double crochets. So 2 double crochet on the first single crochet like that. Then you're going to be doing the opposite for whatever we did here. So since this is a double crochet, so the first one on this second post, level on this first post, on this second post you're going to be going under it like that, and then chain, and then the next one, the one that here goes up, you do the opposite and put a chain on top of that one, and then the opposite, the one that is under. So this is the end of the row. So this is I did a front post on this one, so I'm going to be doing a back post, and then I'll be doing 2 front posts on this last stitch because of the increase. So that's 1, that's 2, and then do your single crochet. So we're going to be continuing doing the same thing. This is how it looks like in the back, by the way, and this is how it looks like from the front. So we'll be doing the same stitches until for me I would like to achieve a short length of 20 inches, so that it's able to fit my front body, and I think a height of 10 inches. So I'll get to you guys once I reach the 20 inches achievement of the length, so that I can continue explaining what you're supposed to do from there. So let me see you guys there.
1 eternity later.
So guys, we have managed to reach the 20 inches mark. So if I just measure it, it's like that. It goes up to 20 inches there, you can see. So from here we're going to stop increasing, since we haven't yet achieved the 10-inch mark, though we are so close, or it's even at, we are so close, like it's like 9.5. so I'm just going to add up like 2 rows so that you can have a clean finish. From here you're going to stop increasing the work. So what you're going to be doing is you just yarn twice like that, and then for the first stitch in the first hole here, I'm going to be doing a double crochet once like that, and then yarn under this first one like that. So all you're just going to do is just to stop increasing and just continue doing whatever we were doing, going under like that and up. I think I have a more detailed tutorial on how to do this alpine stitch, so you just do like that, continue. So there we go, we're about to reach the end. So what you're just going to do is continue like that, and since the last time we were increasing, this time round is now increasing, so you're just going to put here 1 stitch and here 1 stitch like that, and then turn your work. So after turning your work, we're going to be working with single crochet until the end of the row, and you're going to do the single crochet twice so that you can just get that clean finish. So that's it for the row for single crochet. So I'm just going to be doing another finishing row of single crochet so that I can get that good and nice finish up. Then after reaching the end, I'll just cut that there and then pull this through. So here what we're left with is the hands, where you're supposed to tie. So what I'm going to be doing here is I'll be taking my yarn and placing it here so that I can have where I'll tie my cloth from. You know, it's normal for it to roll because it's still tight, but once we want it to be better, what I'm going to be doing, I'll insert my hook here, then take this yarn from the cut piece, then whatever is left here, insert like that and tie it, then insert your hook again and pull up a loop, and then crochet as many as how long you'd like that string to be. So I'll just crochet until I reach my reasonable height. Be sure to count the stitches because you'll have to duplicate whatever you've done here to here, so don't forget to count how many stitches you'll make for this side. I have done a total of 175 chains. So what I'm going to be doing next is I'm going to be single crocheting along that 175 stitches. Then you just do that single crochet until you reach back again at where you began. This just makes the rope a bit thicker or a bit heavier, if I might say, because this is really light and this is a bit heavier in terms of weight, so it won't like hurt you while you're wearing the top. So that's it. I've done the single crochet all the way through. This is the last stitch. I'm just going to have it there like that. Then I'm going to like insert it on this like second stitch and pull it through, then cut my yarn out and pull this one through. Then see, we have a lot of yarn like left hanging. What you're going to do to hide this, you're just going to, if you have a darning needle, you can just sew it inside, but if you don't have, like I don't have one right now, I keep on misplacing my darning needles, but they are very cheap and affordable, so you should get one. So I just do whatever I'm doing, ensure that it's on the back side. I hope you guys can see whatever I'm doing. You just like insert your hook in various holes close to it, then that way you'll hide your yarn better, and then you can cut it. So do that for all the remaining pieces of yarn. So for this other side, I'm going to be doing the same thing I've done for here. I'll have it done here, then I'll get back to you guys. I am done together with weaving the ends, and that's how it looks like. Then let me wear it and then I'll show you guys. Anyway, thank you guys for following up with me till this end. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share this video.